we guide you through how to use Trust Wallet. First, open the Trust Wallet app and unlock it with your PIN, fingerprint, or Face ID. On the main screen, you'll see your crypto wallet balance, a list of supported coins, and tokens. Tap Receive to get your wallet address if someone is sending you cryptocurrency. Then choose the coin you want and copy or share the address. To send crypto, tap Send, select Asset, paste the recipient wallet address, enter the amount, review the network fee, and confirm the transaction. If you want to buy crypto, tap Buy, choose your preferred coin, select a payment provider, and complete the purchase by following the on-screen instructions. To swap one cryptocurrency for another, tap Swap, choose the tokens, review the exchange rate and fees, then confirm the swap. You can also tap the Browser or Discover section, if available, to connect to decentralized apps and manage your Web3 activities. Always double-check wallet addresses before sending funds, and keep your recovery phrase private and never share it with anyone.